Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. This is basically a product review. This is entirely not sponsored, and I want to review a product because my little one is sick. My elder one was sick. She is better now. My little one is sick with cold and cough, severe cough, and it was very difficult for me to take out her mucus stuffed nose, and it was really hard. So we find out a product. You may be knowing about those bulbs which you need to put it inside the nose and suck that stuff out from the nose. So while searching, I found out a product that is Neil made. It is a type of a bulb where you need to put it inside the nose of the baby and just stuff that stuff out. So this Neil made, how I came to know about this. During my pregnancy, I was severely sick with sinus and I was on antibiotic for almost 1.5 months, and my physician, she's a very good one, I would say, my physician recommended me to use the sinus rinse. That is also the company from Neil made, Dr. Mehta's, and you know how the Neti pot works. And I would literally say that product is also good. I'm not viewing that product, but I want to say something about this. This works wonders. This is very easy to use. You just have to squeeze this bottle, put it inside the nose and just pull everything out. That's how your baby would be so thankful to you from bringing those mucus out from their nose. And this is very easy to take it out. You just need to squeeze the tip and squeeze this one and just remove, and easy to clean, sterilize. You can just boil it in the water or do it in the microwave. This is called Neil made NASA bulb. So I would recommend this product. Sorry, now it's getting difficult for me to put it. It's not that difficult though, but yes, I did it. So I would definitely recommend this Neil made NASA bulb, because there are so many motorized ones. This is the manual one which I would recommend. So I will show you what I did with my baby to take out all the mucus. Check the next video. And thank you for listening to me though. Now that I have already told you about this Neil made, I am going to demonstrate it on her because she is always not comfortable with those mucus. So I have given her this mobile right now to just focus so that I can pull that stuffy thing. Look here. You have to just squeeze this one and put it in her nose and just pull it. You can see those mucus. If you don't feel this is good, please, it's okay if you stop the video, but this is how it works and it works wonders, I would say. I would show you again. Just look at that. And one more nose. Okay, that's fine. Look at those stuffy things, if you can see. I don't know how I can show you. Look at that mucus. I'll try out one more. It's all clear. Can you see that mucus here? So it is a great thing. I would recommend Dr. Mehta. This is totally not sponsored, but I like this product a lot. So see you again. If I find something interesting, I will again review that product. Thank you. Say bye. Say bye. Say smile. Say bye. Say bye. Oh.